Ohio administrator for Atkins School. This man then went on to Facebook Marketplace and put in 11 district lawnmowers as his own, as a side hustle. And then he told his superiors that I was trying to get us new ones. So they done suspended him without pay. I said, wait a minute. Without pay, you need to fire him. Y'all said he broke procedures and he broke ethic laws. Why he still have a job? Why is he still employed? Why is he just suspended without pay? Like, ooh, wow. He was selling them for his own pockets. He probably ain't getting enough money. Tell me how y'all feel about it.